Page 9 of Properties of Curves. We're going to look at these two shapes here. One kind of looks like a hill, one kind of looks like a valley. And we're going to describe them in terms of the concavity, in terms of the first derivative and the second derivative. So if we look at the concavity, would we say that this opens up or down? It opens down, right? It's like if it's a cup, it opens down. And what about this? Does it open up or down? It opens up, right? Okay. Next thing, what about the first derivative? The first derivative, which is written here as m, it starts out as 2, then it becomes 1, less steep, then it's flat, 0, and then it starts going downward, -1, and it starts even going more downward, -2. So what's the trend here as we go from left to right? Is the first derivative, or the gradient or slope, is it increasing or decreasing? Well, it's going 2, 1, 0, -1, -2. So that's decreasing, right? What about in this case? We're going -2, -1, 0, 1, 2. We're going from going downhill to flat, and then we're going uphill. So that would be m going from a smaller or negative number to a big positive number. So it's increasing. What about the second derivative? Is the second derivative positive or negative? So if you take the second derivative of this function, you would get, the first derivative would be -2x, right? And then the second derivative would be -2, which is negative, so it's going to be negative. This one, the first derivative is going to be 2x, the second derivative is going to be 2, which is positive, so it's positive. Okay? So, the f dash decreasing corresponds to a negative second derivative, which corresponds to downward concavity, and positive f double dash corresponds to upward concavity and an increasing gradient or slope.